my pork is marinated for the banh mi.
Okay.
I've got my pickles going on. I'm gonna make a pate mayonnaise spread. It's very common to get pate in banh mi. I like to extend pate with mayonnaise because I feel that, you know, you get the creamy effect of mayonnaise, which hydrates the bread, and you get that really nice flavor from the pate. I start my pickled carrots by shredding them very thin. I'm just simply using vinegar, sugar, salt, cilantro, and I want the flavor of peppercorn and garlic. To marinate and grill my pork, I take shallots, garlic, fish sauce, sugar, and I blend that in a blender until rough. I don't need it chunky. The secret ingredient to my marinade is lemongrass because you get that kind of sour, floral notes into the pork. So you slice pork shoulder and you get it into that sugary, funky, herbaceous marinade. So I take the French roll, I split it down the middle. I take my pate spread, I hit both sides of the bread to get really good coverage. I want some chilies in there, so I'm using red jalapenos, full leaves of cilantro. Now I'm layering in my cucumber ribbons. I follow that up with the pickled carrots. Once the pork is cooked, I load it into the bread, and this really is a street food banh mi.
I love the flavor on the pickled carrots. They're like rich and deep and like amazing.
That's how talented Jet Tila is, that the pickled carrots on his sandwich are literally my favorite thing of the day. And it's not even like a real carrot, it's like this earthy, delicious umami bomb that Jet decided to just, you know, drop on us like it was no big deal.